Why does your scanner show the P2229 engine code? What does it mean? P2229 is a diagnostic trouble code for a barometric pressure sensor, a circuit high. It indicates that the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a high electrical reading from the barometric pressure sensor A. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Damaged barometric pressure sensor, electrical connector issues, wiring problems, faulty engine control module, heat damage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. Mostly it comes in Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, BMW, Chevy, Mazda, Volvo, Acura, Honda, Cadillac, Hyundai, Saab, Ford, and many more. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.